Fabulous summer travel plans canceled? Listen, I feel your pain. But guess what? Today I'm going to show you how to turn your boring backyard into an incredible luxury resort so that you can feel like you're on vacation without having to leave your house. First thing is first, you gotta set up little vignettes of sorts, which is just a fancy way of saying spots. You know how hotels have kind of like different areas for different things? Like over here is the lounging by the pool area, and over here is the sipping cocktails with friends area, and right here is the bench where you awkwardly wait for your first date area. You know what I mean, right? This here's the spot. First, I'm gonna set up my luxury resort pool, complete with 2 water park features, AKA just these kiddie pools I found at Target and on Amazon. A swim-up cocktail bar, AKA just a table I brought outside from my office, and a daybed cabana, complete with complimentary bottle service, which is really just these chairs and some towels, plus I'm gonna see if Linda will bring me some chilled rosé later. But I'm not gonna hold my breath. I think it bears mentioning that the luxury part of this comes into play once you've got it set up. I'm not sure why I picked the most hot and humid day to film this video. We're having a little issues with the little hose. We'll figure it out. Step number 2. Now that you got your entire space all set up, it's really time to buy into the whole luxury concept. Ditch the clothes you wore to set up your backyard oasis for some resort wear. I'm talking fabulous caftans, yes honey, your cute new bikini, or really anything that has banana leaves on it. I like to call this blogger camouflage. Can't see me. Okay, we are ready for step number 3. So all of my favorite luxury resorts have some sort of signature cocktail, and I almost always wind up overindulging in them. So I feel like this backyard oasis needs its own signature cocktail, and yours will too. The drink that makes me feel like I'm anywhere but my backyard would be the Aperol Spritz. Check the link in the description of this video for that recipe. Nothing more luxurious than sipping on a cocktail poolside. You know what? I hear this resort has a swim-up bar. Let's go check it out. I have a feeling this pool is going to be icy. Here we go. With the toe. Confirmed. In for the plunge. It's an ice bath. Okay. I think the siren in the background is warranted right now because, oh! I thought it was a bee. This is about as swim up as it gets. Remember in the beginning when I said you're gonna have to use your imagination a little bit? This is where we practice that just a little bit, okay? All right, okay, cheers. Pool party! Louder, DJ, yes! I'm kidding, obviously. Anyone else team Aperol Spritz? Clearly, I am. If it's your go-to summer drink, hit that thumbs up button and let me know. So, once you've got your space set up, got mine, check. Your vacation costume on, check. Signature cocktail, check. Well, then the next step is just to relax, my friend. Make sure you have a bomb poolside playlist. I personally love to listen to bossa nova music. It makes me feel like I'm somewhere fabulous in South America. Now, I've put the details on the playlist that I like in the description of this video. You know, it actually kind of feels like I'm not really... Just kidding. It still feels like I'm in my backyard. But what can I say? 2020, crazy times. Wait, I actually think I might know something that will really make me feel like I'm at a luxury resort. you're somewhere amazing when the staff comes around the pool to offer you one of these chilled towels that smells like heaven. Just get a bowl of ice water, add a few drops of essential oil. I went with lavender this time. Submerge the washcloth, wring it out, and then fold the towel in half and roll it up. You should keep these in a sealed container in the fridge until you're ready to use them. This was exactly what I needed today. Well, actually what I needed was a pool boy to come and rub my neck. I asked Linda to play the part, but she said she was busy. I don't know. You could potentially ask your significant other to play the role of a pool boy. That would be so cute. That was so fun, right? Well, I had fun. I hope you had fun too. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want even more ideas as to how to turn your backyard into a luxury resort, or maybe you want some of the links from the things you saw in the video, make sure to click the link in the description of this video. You'll find all that good stuff right there. And if you liked this video, maybe I can convince you to hit that subscribe button. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe it's too soon to commit to this relationship. So maybe watch a couple other videos of mine that I'll put right here. If you are an Instagram user, come hang out on Instagram with me. That's where you'll find my day-to-day activities that typically don't make it into these vlogs, videos, YouTube videos, whatever we're doing here. And yeah, I think that's it. Cool, this was so much fun. I'm so excited to be part of the YouTube community, and I will see you guys next week for another travel video. Peace.